Hello class, we are from group 10. We will present result of our discussion about implementation of integrated pest management on tea and cacao plant. Our member is Rizky Ahuba, number 136, Gaga Chandra 138, dan Rizal Zaka 143. Integrated pest management considers plant, environment, and pests to be part of an interrelated system. In IPM, plant species and varieties are selected and the environment is managed so as to favor the desired plants and accordingly to suppress pest problem. The first is implementation of IPM about the plan. The plant or Camellia sinensis is an annual plant that is basically a plantation crop which is weak. The plants require intensive maintenance because of availability against pests and disease. Plant pest organisms in plant include tea leaf smallpox, short rolling pest, Helopeltis, and Emboasca. The next is plant pest organisms in the tea plant. The first is tea leaf smallpox. Tea leaf smallpox is a pathogen that can attack several plant parts such as stem, branches, or leaf, or fruit and flower. The cause of this tea leaf smallpox is a fungus Exobasidium vexanmaceae. Smallpox can attack the leaves, shoot of the affected plant part. In appear that there are spots that are small and first but then enlarge to a size of 10 to 15 millimeter. Technical culture. For prevention, it is better to plant tea clones that are resistant to smallpox disease. The two is cycle control. Control can be done by reducing shade tree so that sunlight can enter garden. Pruning parallel to the soil surface is cultivated in the dry season so that new plant in pruning can grow because at the time smallpox tea is difficult to grow. Biological control using a biological control agent like trichoderma. Pesticide by spraying betel leaf vegetable fungicide.
The second is head roller catcher, or Cydia leucostoma. The shoot rolling caterpillar belonging to the Totricidae family and the order Lepidoptera curls the leaf shoots use fine thread produced by his mouth. Fine thread it is used to bind the bone between the leaf on the shoots. The leaf roll on the shoot used as a wrapper for caterpillar will turn into cocoon. Technical culture. Through fertilization, balance, cultural setting, and technical set breeds. Physical control by picking young shoot and leaf that have been attacked at the same time as picking the production. Sorting or separating is done directly when picking in large plastic bags that have been provided or at the weighing station between smooth shoot or leafish and infected shoot. Biological control using Beauveria bassiana mushroom. Pesticide using pesticide with low residual effect. Tea leaf sucking ladybug or Helopestis sp. This pest attack young leaf, shoot, and young twigs by attaching its stylet to the sacs, the content of leaf cell, and secret saliva, which is toxic, causing damage surrounding tissues punctured plant. Stylet puncture mark will show symptom of irregular patch. At the point of flash, the stylet puncture will form a transparent circle, then change color to light brown, eventually expand to dark brown. Technical culture, soil fertilization, balance, cultural setting, and technical or set risk. Physical control. Physical control can be done by catching insect by hand or by using a tool in the form of bamboo with an adhesive or shape. Biological control. With natural enemies, Dolichoderus or black ants, using Bavaria bassiana mushroom. Pesticide, use of insecticide with low residual effect. Vegetable pesticide from sursub leaves. Emposca sp. This pest is actually the main pest on cotton plants. Due to environmental influences currently attacking salty plants, attacks are found on young shoots and leaf by sucking leaf juice. Technical control. Technical culture. Through fertilization, balance cultural setting, and technical or set risk. Sanitation of harvest facilities. Physical control. Physical control can use ticket traps. Biological control. Fungus Bavaria bassiana. Pesticide, python plant, vegetable is an alternative before using chemical insecticide. Chemical insecticide used as a last resort. The second is cocoa, implementation of IPM on cocoa plant.
Cocoa is an important plant in Indonesia because cocoa as a foreign exchange earner as a source of income for farmers and the community other. Indonesian cocoa productivity to date, the average is still low at around 900 kilogram per hectare. One of the problems is the attack of plant pest organisms. Estimated average yield loss due to pests is up to 30% every year. There is even an important disease that can cause plant death. Many pests and diseases are found on cocoa plants, including pest cocoa fruit borer, such as Conopomopa cramerella and fruit-sucking ladybugs. Helopeltis sp. is a major pest on cocoa plants. And then plant pest organisms or OPT in cocoa plants. The first is cocoa fruit borer. Cocoa pod borer or Conopomorpha cramerella is a pest that specifically attacks cocoa pods. This pest can attack from young fruit to ripe fruit, but prefers cocoa pods that are more than 9 centimeters long. This pest attack when the fruit is still young will cause considerable damage because the seeds are sticky and firmly attached to the fruit, so that it will affect the quality and quantity of cocoa beans. And for the natural enemies of this cocoa pod borer are the Iridomyrmex and the Goripus parasitoid that parasitizes the cocoas, and the Trichogramma parasitoid which parasitizes the pest eggs. The Iridomyrmex and is an important predator on the cocoas of the cocoa pod borer, brownish black in color and 2.5 until 3.5 millimeters in length. And then for the IPM, there are technical culture, technical culture, physical control, and insecticide. For the technical culture that can be done is to do shape trimming, which aims to limit the height of the cacao plant crown so that it's not more than 4 meters. This aims to facilitate the implementation of harvesting and spraying pesticides. In addition, frequent harvesting methods can be used, namely harvesting fruit when the fruit is early ripe, followed by sanitation to suppress pest populations. Then for the physical cultural, physical control can be done by catching insects by hand or by using a tool in the form of bamboo with an adhesive or sap at the end and wrapping the cocoa pods in plastic. And then for insecticide, the application of chemical insecticides is only carried out if the percentage of pest attacks has entered the heavy attack category using synthetic pyrethroid insecticides. Cihalotrin or Matador 25 EC, Betaciflutrin Bulldog 25 EC, Asfenvalerate or Sumialpa 25 EC. The concentration of the formulation used as recommended is between 0.06% until 0.1%. And then sucking ladybugs or Helopeltis sp. Helopeltis sp. This pest is the main insect pest on cocoa plants. The pest species that attack were H. anthoni. This pest attacks plant on the young leaves, petioles, shoot, and fruit. The affected shoots are those that are still soft with the leaves still closed. The preferred fruit is fruit that is still young and close to ripe. For the natural enemies, pest control on cocoa plants can be eradicated using natural enemies, namely black ants, which are quite prospective, namely Dolichoderus thoracius. These black ants have the ability to repel Helopeltis sp. Okay, for the IPM, for the technical control that can be done is pruning done by removing water shoots that grow around the main branches. In addition, proper application of fertilizers can control H. anthoni because it will increase plant growth and resistance to pests. Plants that are deficient in P and phosphorus and kalium elements will be more sensitive to H. anthoni attacks. And then for the physical control can be done by catching insect by hand or by using a tool in the form of bamboo with an adhesive at the end and wrapping the cocoa pods in plastic. And for the insecticides can be used to eradicate these pests are insecticide containing the active ingredients of sulfurin, acefat, cypermethrin, decamethrin, and carbamate. Insecticide containing the active ingredient sulfurin with a concentration of 0.04% are effective in suppressing this pest attack up to 5.67%. Okay, thank you so much guys for your attention. That's it from us. Please put your question on Spada Forum. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.